Okay guys, so today we have a very cool unboxing. Yes, in this box I have the Carson City Morgan Dollar. The 2021 Carson City Morgan Dollar. Now, as you know, it's not a Morgan Dollar, it's with a privy mark because the Carson City Mint doesn't exist anymore. But I just got this today and I'm super excited. Now, I've been waiting for this coin, and we've all been waiting for these coins since May, since they were first ordered. I think Carson City and O, if I remember correctly, went on sale May 24th. And then after that, they pushed the rest of the Morgans and the peace dollars to later dates. So let's get to the unboxing. Now it comes nicely packaged. You know, there isn't a piece of styrofoam. Kind of disappointed at that. You know, kind of hoping that there would be a piece of styrofoam there, but you know, there isn't. So hopefully my coin isn't out of the box, because I've been hearing people and watching videos of people that have been getting their Morgan dollars out of the box, or out of the little holder. So this is it. See, United States Mint 2021 Carson City Morgan Dollar. I like the packaging. Personally, it's nice. And you take it out the box, black on black. You know, not my favorite, but you know, it's okay. It's whatever. And then we open it up. There's the certificate of authenticity. It says 2021 Carson City Morgan Dollar on it. Comes in this really nice silver print. Really nice. And then it says denomination $1. Yeah, you can pause that to read it if you want. Coin talks about the obverse, the designer, and the reverse. And then on the back gives a little bit, you know, it just says that the Morgan Dollar is a genuine US Mint coin, blah blah blah. So here is the coin right here, and I gotta say, this is a really nice coin. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting it. Now this is the first time that I'm seeing it. I haven't taken it out of the box or anything, so let's see if we can get it out without having to take out this piece. Oh, and it pops out just fine. So here's a closer look. And this is a nice coin. I really like this coin. I don't know if the camera will let me get in the privy mark. No, I don't think it's gonna let me, but this is a really nice coin. I think that I am going to send these coins off to get graded by NGC, and I gotta say, this is a lot nicer than I was expecting. So hopefully, you know, you guys get your coin soon, and let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you ordered these, and if you didn't, why didn't you order them? But gotta say, this was well worth the wait. Alright, thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video.